Did you know about the amazing benefits of apples? Often overlooked in the world of superfoods, this humble fruit packs a surprising punch. Today we'll embark on a journey to explore the top 5 benefits of this fruity powerhouse. Starting at number 5, we have the benefit of weight loss. Apples are high in dietary fiber and water, which can help you feel fuller for longer periods. Including them in your diet could potentially lead to a decrease in overall calorie intake, and consequently weight loss. Now, who doesn't love a guilt-free snack that can also keep those extra pounds at bay? Moving on to number 4, let's talk about heart health. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, which helps in reducing your blood cholesterol levels. They also contain flavonoids, known for their antioxidant effects, which can lower the risk of heart disease. An apple a day might actually keep the cardiologist away. Coming in at number 3, we find the benefit of bone health. Apples have been linked to higher bone density and strength thanks to certain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds they contain. So next time you crunch into an apple, remember, you're doing your bones a favor. Our second benefit is all about diabetes prevention. Apples have a low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar slowly into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of apples could potentially lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Finally, landing at number 1, the top benefit of apples is their contribution to gut health. Apples are rich in a type of fiber called pectin, which acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This can lead to improved digestive health and a stronger immune system. To summarize, apples are not just delicious, but they also offer a plethora of health benefits. They can assist in weight loss, improve heart and bone health, help prevent diabetes, and promote gut health. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, remember, an apple could be the healthiest choice you can make. After all, there's some truth in the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.